The final step for our playground is to add some colors and play with the shadow settings. You can find the shadow settings under the window menu and toggle the shadows dialog box on. Shadows can be turned on and off, and you can adjust the time of day and year for accurate shadow studies. Adding some color is easy. We'll use the paint bucket tool to access materials in SketchUp. The materials dialog box looks different on Mac and PC, and we'll cover it in more detail later. For now, just select any color or material, then paint it on a group in the model, and add more colors as you'd like. In fact, add other elements to your model as you'd like. Now that you have an idea of how some of the tools work, keep going with any ideas you may have, and then keep learning. We've only scratched the surface, and there is so much more to learn. So, we look forward to seeing you in the next course.